Bicycles are considered to be vehicles under traffic laws in Texas. Cyclists and motorists frequently share roadways. Sharing safely means using streets that may or may not have bike lanes. Cyclists and motorists must each do their part to make roadways as safe as possible. Cyclists ride as far to the right as practicable. Use bicycle lanes or roadway shoulders whenever possible. Motorists, please allow at least 3 feet of distance between your vehicle and a cyclist. Motorists driving trucks or commercial vehicles should allow 6 feet between their vehicle and a cyclist. Even without a marked bicycle lane, cyclists and motorists can travel side by side if there's enough room to allow a safe distance between the two vehicles. Cyclists, if there's not enough room, check over your shoulder, signal, and move into the center of the lane. Motorists, please stay alert. A cyclist may need to veer out of the bicycle lane or shoulder because of debris or other hazards. Cyclists, look as far ahead as possible to spot potential hazards in your lane. If you need to leave the bicycle lane or shoulder, use hand signals to allow motorists time to react. On-street parking can pose a hazard to cyclists and requires both cyclists and motorists to pay extra attention. Cyclists ride at least 3 feet to the left of parked vehicles to avoid an opening car door. This may require you to take the lane. Ride in a straight line past the whole line of parked vehicles rather than weaving in and out around them. Be alert for vehicles pulling in or out of parking spaces. Watch your speed and be ready to stop if necessary. Motorists, watch for cyclists who are riding close to parked vehicles. If a car door opens unexpectedly, the cyclist may have to swerve left to avoid it. If you're exiting a car, do a safety check by using your mirrors and looking over your shoulder for cars and bicycles before opening your door. Do the same safety check when you're getting ready to pull out of a parking space. Please do not park in a marked bike lane. Blocking bike lanes creates a hazard for cyclists as well as other vehicles. Please share the road.